Hey Rush fam, welcome back to the channel. You know it's Rush, the Discovery Boss, and we are currently heading around to Haining Road, where there's two commercial development happening, almost in front of each other. We did a first video when excavation was happening, so this is gonna be a second video for you guys. I'll put the link for the first video in the comments so you guys can see that one. So it's two commercial development on Haining Road in New Kingston, Jamaica. So if you're new to the channel, subscribing is completely free. So feel free to subscribe and join the family. Remember to like, remember to comment, and definitely share as well. So definitely will include some drone shots, so stay tuned for the drone shots as well. Alright, so in front of us as well is the Walker All Tower, future home of Printwear Online headquarters. So Printwear Online currently is a printing company. They provide machines, service machines, source machine, diagnose machines, so everything that has to do with printer, inks, everything, repair, everything. That's what they do right now. So I guess they'll be converting this existing lot into a state-of-the-art development, and then probably use some for their office, and then probably lease out the rest. So good size lot that they're on right now. So I guess they're gonna develop it further. Number 8 Haining Avenue. So we're coming off Altamont Crescent right now, and we're gonna take a look at the two properties that's currently under construction. Well, one property, there's no work that has started yet. They just cleared the land. They haven't gone into foundation yet. And then the other one is on the way. So stay tuned. It's just up the road from us, right here in New Kingston. So one is on the left, you can see the zinc fence, and then the other is on the right. They're almost in front of each other. So I'm gonna step out. It's all zinced up, so you guys can't see much, but when I set up the drone, you guys will be able to see much better shots. So we're on Haining Road, close to DHL, which is in front of us. So let's take a look outside on both property, and then we set up the drone. Remember to leave your comments and share the video. Share to someone in Jamaica, share to someone overseas, so that more persons can see the videos and see all the great developments and construction happening in Jamaica. Borrow somebody's phone as well. Anybody beside you, take their phone from them and search Raymore Reviews. Click the subscribe button, because we're trying to grow the channel to 20,000 subscribers. Your help is needed. Let's step on the outside. Alright, so for this property, they haven't broken ground as yet. And then let's cross the road and look at the other property over this side. So work is currently happening over this one. So when I send up the drone, you guys will see some better shots. Alright guys, let's send up the drone.